ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 337th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು ಆದಿಪರ್ವಮು 206th, 207th chapters. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, before leaving from Khandava Prastham, Sri Krishna Paramatma did namaskaram to Kunti Devi. Then Kunti Devi saying to Krishna like this: O Krishna, Jatusham Gruhamasadya ಮಯಾ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಂಚ ಕೇಶವ ಆರ್ಯೇನ ಚಾಪಿ ನ ಜ್ಞಾತಂ ಕುಂತಿ ಭೋಜೇನ ಚಾನಘ ತ್ವಯಾ ನಾದೇನ ಗೋವಿಂದ ದುಃಖಂ ತೀರ್ಣಂ ಮಹತ್ತರಂ ತ್ವಂ ಹಿ ನಾಥಃ ತ್ವಂ ಅನಾಥಾನಾಂ ದರಿದ್ರಾಣಾಂ ವಿಶೇಷತಃ ಸರ್ವದುಃಖಾನಿ ಶಾಮ್ಯಂತಿ ತವ ಸಂದರ್ಶನಾನ್ ಮಮ ಸ್ಮರಸ್ವ ಏನಾನ್ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಾಜ್ಞಾ ತೇನ ಜೀವಂತಿ ಪಾಂಡವಾಃ. O Kesava, Krishna, we crossed so many troubles just like an ocean. How? Only with your help, only with your blessings, we were able to come out of all those troubles and we are now alive. O Prabhu, you are the one eternal protector. You are the one who is the protector for all the people. Just by your darshanam, all our troubles gone away. O Krishna, please do never forget your Pandavas. And also make sure these Pandavas lives on this earth only thinking about you all the time. Like that, when Kunti Devi prayed Sri Krishna, Krishna says, Karishyamiti cha amantriya abhivadya. My dear aunt Kunti Devi, yes, as and how you said, it will be like that. Krishna said to Kunti Devi, and along with Balarama, he took permission from Pandavas and went to Dwaraka Nagaram. After that is done, now Janamejaya asking Vaisampayana, O Maharshi, after Pandavas got this Indraprastham, what are all the things that they have done? And how did they behave with Draupadi? And how did Draupadi Devi behaved with Pandavas? How did there is no any difference raised in those Pandavas within them? Can you please tell all those things to me? Like that, when Janamejaya asked Vaisampayana Maharshi saying, O Raja, they started living in Khandava Prastham and started ruling the kingdom according to Dharmam, and all the people who were living in that Khandava Prastham very happy. And like that, while the days were passing, one day when all the Pandavas were sitting on their simhasanas, Naradaha Devarshihi Ajagama Edruchaya. Devarshi Narada Maharshi unexpectedly came down over there. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Srimannarayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. Srimannarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimannarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.